Logging your baby's sleep is going to be very important during your sleep journey. You're going to be tuned into your child's circadian rhythm and when they are naturally tired and when their body is naturally producing melatonin. You can use something as simple as a Google spreadsheet, a piece of paper in a notebook. You can download any app. Like seriously, there are so many apps for tracking all your baby things these days. And also I wanted to talk about the Tally baby tracker here. I love this device. It can go right on the wall, right outside your baby's bedroom door, so that when your baby goes to sleep, all you do is press the button and it actually syncs with an app on your phone so that you can see everything that your baby is doing from wherever you are. So if you have a nanny or a grandparent at home taking care of the baby, they can push the button and track when the baby is sleeping, and it actually has all the different things on here like eating and peeing and pooping and sleeping and all those things. And if you're at work, you can tap into your app and see exactly what your baby is doing. This isn't 100% a necessity, but I absolutely love this. And my kids are older now, but I really wish that this was around when they were babies. I think this was released in like 2019, 2020, so like smack dab at the beginning of the pandemic. So a lot of people have missed this on the market, but I'm telling you, it is worth every penny. The best thing about logging sleep is that you're going to be able to share the information with any caregivers. So everybody can be on the same page about your baby's sleep and there shouldn't be any confusion. So look around for the best product or even just a Google spreadsheet or a notebook that you want to use to track your baby's sleep. But take my word for it, you definitely don't want to skip this step.